The Sanskrit term asana has a few different understandings. The first understanding is posture, that we use the word asana to mean the posture practice that we do in our yoga practice. Any postures, physical postures that we do is referred to the word asana. And this asana, it also means the seat that we sit in. So as a result of dedicated asana practice, we will be naturally able to sit in the seated position in our comfortable seat for a longer period of time without really restraining like some tightness or pains in our physical body. So the asana practice will clear those stuck energies for us to be able to sit in our own seat in a comfortable way. And this more of the spirited meaning of the asana is that asana is a vehicle of the soul, that moving vehicle that carries our consciousness that resides within to different situations of life to experience. So the asana is a body temple for the souls to dwell within. In these understandings of the asana as a container of the consciousness, every asana practice will become sacred because every posture represents the beautiful body temple, beautiful moving vehicle of our consciousness. See you on the yoga mat to practice together.